Hello, Jesse McDougall here with the Martial Arts of Money, and today's clip is going to be on how I went viral on Facebook, and we're going to talk about some of the pros and some of the cons and other people's perspectives that I've seen in business over the years, okay? So first thing, everybody wants to know exactly what I did, okay? I guess it was a fluke, okay? So it's not something that I planned on saying like, hey, I was going to go viral and do this. Like, it doesn't work like that. At least it didn't for me. What I do is I live through my heart. So I was talking to some kid in Nigeria on Facebook. I was just helping him out with guidance in life as a father figure. And then I looked on his profile because I'm interested in other people that I talk to. I actually care about them. And what a concept, right? I'm not trying to just gain from them and take and take and take and how they can help my agenda. Just care about a person and talk to them. And that goes a long way. So I looked on his wall, some of his pictures or whatever, and there was this really nice picture. I looked at it and it was funny, it was cute. It had this little baby and it said something like, I pray that God will fix all your problems by month end. And then so I reshared it, but I didn't just reshare it and move on and reshare the next thing. As I actually wrote like 4 lines of and I wrote through my heart too. And at that time I could tell you the Lord was speaking, the energy was flowing through me. It was definitely omnipresent when I wrote the 4 lines or whatever, and it was like motivational or leader, but that was just me being me, okay? Regardless, that I sent off a chain reaction, and my phone has been blowing up for the past week, and it still is. I'm talking like 5 people here right now. Simultaneously, just got off another Zoom call. So let's dissect that exactly what happened, okay? And then so last week, okay, so I'm up to 5,000 friends on Facebook and I've got 700 followers, okay? So last Sunday, what I did was I found another image, right? So you think of what works and then do that again and keep that momentum going. That's the whole marketing strategy of whatever brand or funnel or whatever you're building, of your business. Once you find a recipe that works, go with it. So last Sunday I posted another cool photo. I really liked it, but I wrote like a long, I write long stuff, right? Just value. But I got less clicks and less engagement. I got 17 likes and I don't know, maybe like just a couple people engaged with it, like maybe 8 or something. So that's still not bad, but it wasn't a chain reaction like happened the week before. Now, why that is, I believe, and I'm going to test this next Sunday, is when I went onto someone else's profile and I took their picture in Nigeria and I posted it and it was like positive stuff, uplifting stuff. A lot of people are hurting out there. A lot of people are poor. A lot of people are starving. A lot of people are lonely. A lot of people looking for love. I've got proposed to like at least 10 times now. That's the main question everyone's asking me. Am I single? And I do feel bad for people because a lot of people are searching for love and they don't have money, and it's tough. It's been bothering me all week. So next week, when I shared it from someone else's network, everyone on that person's network sees the post. Oh, Jesse McDougall reposted, Buddy's picture. So they all see that and they're like, who's Jesse McDougall? And then if you write some words, so you're adding value and you're adding love to the piece of content that was already on someone else's wall. Well, now you're bringing value to the marketplace. You're connecting on an emotional level with human beings, okay? And you don't know where it's going to go and what tactical, whatever gain you're going to get in your business. Don't stop. That's too, if you're thinking like that, you're a coward in the samurai philosophy, because you can't see beyond gain, loss, gain, loss, gain, loss, gain, loss, gain, loss. You're a coward in the eyes of other samurai and shoguns, enlightened ones. So that's basically my strategy of what worked and what I'm going to do. So the next Sunday, I'm going to look for another image on someone else's post in the Philippines or Nigeria or Rwanda or anywhere. And I'm going to repost that and just going to see the engagement, see how many likes and new followers I get. It's going to be a little hard to, because for me, I'm full now on friends. I can't accept any more friends. So, and I have like pages of like friend requests still. So it's going to be hard for me to determine how much I'm going to attract someone because I can't add more friends and I can't see how many more people are adding me as a friend. Let me see that. Yeah, see, like I'm still filled up here with friends and looking at my friend requests right now. Okay, I've got 402 friend requests. Okay, so how I'm going to measure the success of next week's performance is I'm going to determine based on how many followers I get on Facebook. Because if you're at 5,000 friends, or someone doesn't have to be your friend, they can still follow you, they can still see your posts and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. But I wanted to share this value because I've confirmed with a couple other marketers that it is pretty special what I did. And so where does it go from here? Right? What I'm doing is I'm just talking to everyone. And there's definitely, I'm talking to everyone. I haven't been able to get to everyone yet. There's still hundreds of messages I got to check. But I want to take a moment and pause and talk about the other side of it, okay? So a lot of business people, like, oh, I don't want my time wasted. And they get like elitist attitudes about their time. Well, you see those things on the wall there? How much is my time worth, bro? And that's not including all the high-tech skills and everything that I do. How much is my time worth? I really don't know. I'd like to know. So I'm coming from like a humanitarian point of view. So, and most people just don't want that or whatever. I don't care. It's, that's that, but that whole elitist attitude, like I don't want my time wasted. And like, trust me, I understand the value of time. So anyways, I hope you got a lot of value out of that. You got a couple comments. Leave a comment, share with a friend, please too. Oh, and if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be able to stream live to the world. And 50% of the world's internet traffic is on YouTube. So it sounds like a pretty good place to get 1,000 subscribers. And I can get my message out to the entire world. 50% of the world's internet traffic. So that's my goal for my social media. But anyways, guys, take care. Have a great day. Peace.